Hello, this is Jammal Adio Baba. Let's visit another common Yoruba talking drum line. Dede igi la fò mọ́ lè fò, lè fò bẹ́pẹ́. For non-Lagos Islander, they will say gbogbo igi la fò mọ́ lè fò, lè fò bẹ́pẹ́. But for us on Lagos Island, we will say Dede igi la fò mọ́ lè fò, lè fò bẹ́pẹ́. Afomọ is parasitical plant that tends to latch onto a host tree and take advantage of living in a parasitical way. Dede igi, all sorts of plants. Lafo, more lefo, parasitical can latch on and use as a host. We lefo bepe or a lefo bepe, but the parasitical plant are not always successful using pawpaw tree as a host. So dede igi lafo, more lefo, a lefo bepe. Lè fò bẹ́pẹ́, dede igi là fò mọ́ lè fò, lè fò bẹ́pẹ́. Dede igi la fò mọ́ lè fò, lè fò bẹ́pẹ́. So all sorts of plants are vulnerable to be a host for a parasitical plant, but with the exception of pawpaw tree. So it's pretty much saying, the proverb is pretty much saying a predator tends to take advantage of a lot of prey, but I am an exception. I'm not one of those that the predator tends to take advantage of. Stay culturally fit. Remain blessed.